like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And today I have Kong Wholesale mixed boys and girls toy lot. Now this costs, if you subscribe, it's I believe $100. Excuse my appearance because I'm still sick. I go back to the doctor tomorrow. But I need to get this out because all my toys have already sold. All the toys I had from before have already sold. So they've been big sellers. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do this. That way I can, when I'm watching TV this evening, I can be pricing it. Because I trying to get on a schedule because, you know, with my health the way it is right now, I'm trying to do what I can when I can. So anyway, when you open it up, as you can see, it is full. It's absolutely full. Okay, and that $100 price is if you let's see what it says. Oh, it's $101.25, and that includes your shipping. That's what I was looking for. But that usually saves you about $30. You can buy them one off, but they make it really easy to unsubscribe. And since toys have been doing so well in my store, I was like, let's just go ahead and do it. Subscribe it again. So this is what I'm getting first. It's these DreamWorks trolls. I don't exactly know what they are, but you know how these kids are with anything with a mystery. One figurine. There's just one figurine in there. And then, oh, we got Godzilla. Godzilla from 1954. Translucent edition. Go, go, Godzilla. And then we got Barbie Pets. And that'll sell. And it's too small to give to my kids anyway, so I won't be tempted. Then we got Cat Mario. I didn't know there was a Cat Mario. I knew there was a Raccoon Mario. And here's another dinosaur. It's Parasaurolophus. God, I swear to God. People trying to sell you electric plans. Here's a novel idea. Leave me alone. I'm busy. I'm trying to do some work. I just realized I don't even have my lights on. Anyway, here was the Parasaurolophus. Asked me if I was Linda. Linda ain't lived here in over 10 years. And then we have Tech Deck Skate Crew. Now, you know, if they can afford to send people around, going door to door, they're paying these people. They could be taking that money off your accounts. Okay, and then we have, I think it's Disney Wish. Is that one I haven't seen? Could it be one I haven't seen? Yep. It's one I haven't seen. Well, I'll have to watch that. Then we have Barbie, You Can Be Anything. Check out her shoes. I don't know if you can see them very good, but check out her shoes. They look like high heel Crocs. And here's a troll set. And what is he? Batman, the animated series. This is the Joker. And here is Batman to go with the Joker. Which is kind of cool that you get both of them. Collect to build, lock up. I don't know what the heck that means. But it looks like they only got 4 different ones, so cool. Anything like that sells. Then we have Littlest Pet Shop. I didn't even know they still made those. Okay, then we have Little Mermaid. How pretty. This is Sonic chargers. I don't know what they do. 30 flights in one charge. Has a charging port, motorized propeller, 3 flying modes, durable construction, lights up for night flying. Charge it, throw it, fly it. Instructions included. Here's an old school one. They're very grainy. But it's a Viewmaster. I didn't even know they still made View. It's endangered species. Oh no, there's the penguins. Oh no. Then we got Magna Doodle, which I didn't know they still made either. Draws like magic, erases like magic. What the? Hot Wheels Skate. Tony Hawk Edition. I don't know. I don't understand. Okay, you got shoes. And you got skateboards. And you're supposed to put your fingers in the shoes to move the skateboards. Okay. And do ripping tricks. Okay, and then we have Moana Adventure Canoe. Moana Adventure Canoe. And it comes with 10 pieces, 6 play areas. So yeah, that would probably sell pretty quick too. So that is their mixed boys and girls toy lot. It's $101 and that's delivered. And you know, you really can't beat the price. So anyway, like what you see here, come on back. Like, subscribe. I swear I'm getting better every day. I'm still just getting so out of breath so easy. So come on back. Join us. Like, subscribe. Do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.